as you come and enter the masjid, you need to start thinking of where are you? The most sacred mosque in this whole world, that every salah in it is 100,000. And as you are moving forward, it depends again which gate you enter, and the glimpse of the Kaabah is going to start coming. And these days in our trip, usually you will enter through gate Fahd, which I think it's gate 71. And then as you are coming in more and more, you start seeing the Kaabah. And then you have to go to the left, and then you have to go downstairs. It's almost like a one-way. And then as you go downstairs, you will be guided to go either to the right or to the left, and then go again to the mataf, or to the main courtyard of the haram. And at that moment, you will be seeing the Kaabah. And if you are seeing it for the first time, the feeling is beyond anybody's imagination. Subhanallah. How many pictures you have seen, how many portraits you have seen, but is nothing like seeing it in real, first hand, first time. You raise your hand. This is a place where the supplication is granted, and you make the dua. Allahumma zid hadha al-bayt tashrifan wa takriman wa ta'zima wa zid kulla man sharrafahu mimman hajjahu أو اعتمره تشريفا وتكريما وتعظيما وبرا يا رب آمين.